Former Mamelodi Sundowns attacker Keletso Makgalwa has agreed to join Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, currently he is playing for a Motsepe Foundation Championship side, Abington City, yeah, where he is playing very well. Yeah, he scored 4 goals and 3 assists in just 10 games. Yeah, so his move to Kaizer Chiefs, he will only join them in the 2024-2025 season. So yeah, on the 1st of July, he will join Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, so Keletso Makgalwa had a very promising start to his career under the leadership of Pitso Mosimane at Mamelodi Sundowns, which saw him win 3 league titles and the Telkom Knockout Cup. But things didn't go well at Sundowns for the 27-year-old. Yeah, at the beginning of the 2021-2022 season, he ended up being loaned to Morocco Swallows, where he spent the whole campaign. And in the following season, he was loaned to TS Galaxy, but he struggled for game time and ended up returning back to Mamelodi Sundowns after 5 months. Yeah, and he was later sent to All Stars for the remainder of the 2022-2023 season. Yeah, and then at the beginning of the season, the 2023-2024 season, Mamelodi Sundowns released him. That's when he joined Abington City in the Motsepe Foundation Championship as a free agent. Yeah, so right now Kaizer Chiefs, they have signed him, yeah, and he will only join them at the beginning of next season. So I just want to hear from you. Do you think that this is a good move for Keletso and also for Kaizer Chiefs? So let me hear your thoughts down below. Do you think that is going to shine at Kaizer Chiefs?